Look at this handsome boy. Hi, baby. How are you doing? Hi, Annie. How are you doing? You're so handsome. Yes, you are. You are. I know the other geese are kind of a little bit mean to you, but not too bad. Y'all just have your own space, don't you? Yeah. You just keep your own space. But you are a gorgeous boy, and you're very sweet. Yes, you are. You're very sweet. And you have a couple girls that are your friends, too. Look how cute he is. Look how cute. That one of your girls right there? I think that is. Yeah. See, I've got a couple girls. I do. I have a couple girls. Oh, look how cute. I think that Duck likes him. I'm pretty sure. And I think maybe W, but I'm not 100% sure on that. But I think... Get up. I'll look here. No, that's Duck right there. Right there in the back. That's Duck. I know, I was looking. I think they're eating. Are you gonna get me? You gonna get my feet? Oh, y'all are gonna get me. Get me? Y'all are too funny. I got them all stirred up. Hey, nervous Nelly. Nervous Nelly. It's all right, baby. I'm filling their water pools, so they should be happy with me. Oh my goodness, y'all. There's the pretty boy. There's the pretty boy. Yes, I know. You're a boy. I know. I got 3 boys. That's the other boy. Broccoli and Alfredo. Yep. 3 boys and 6 girls. And then we got Tilly, that's a girl in the front yard with the pigs. So, I love my geese. I just thought I'd share something with you. Hopefully my phone will let me upload this. I'm having a horrible time with my phone and my cell signal. So, we'll see if I can get this uploaded. And I apologize for taking so long to get a video out. Here's my little baby emus. I still don't have names for them. The big one's a female and the little one's a male. The little male has a bow in his leg, and I won't be able to use for breeding, but he'll be here as long as he wants to be alive. Hopefully that'll be a really long time. As long as he's able to support his weight and everything, then he'll be here for the rest of his life, and maybe mine. They can live 30 plus years, you know. So we'll see what happens. But I do have to pick names for them eventually. So, all right. I'll talk to y'all later.